what's up guys, this is me Om and welcome back to yet another video. So today is 22nd of November, Saturday, and I have finally managed time to unbox Hot Wheels packet of 5 which I got it recently. And behind me, as you can see, I have got few more packets which I got it from Hamlet store, which I will be unboxing and uploading it later on my channel. So without wasting any further time, let's continue to unbox this packet. So in frame we have 3 packets of Hot Wheels, but among them I will be unboxing this packet first. So let's keep this packet aside. And wow, like this is Hot Wheels HW Retro Racers, and this is how the Hot Wheels looks. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's quickly unbox. So to unbox the packet, I have carried this knife. So let's put this knife away. Okay. The drum roll. Wow. Oh man. So this is the first glance after unboxing Hot Wheels. So now let's quickly remove one by one. This is the first car of the collection, and this is how it looks. Wow, metal finish and silver plating beneath the car. I like the shade, the body structure. Okay, so now let's put this car over here. And now let's remove the second car, which looks so beautiful. Wow, like every Hot Wheels is made in Indonesia or maybe Malaysia. I may be wrong, correct me in the comment section. Wow man, I like the shape, the structure of the car, and of course the headlights. This will be the third car of the collection, which is not basically a car, it's a monstrous truck. Wow. Maybe this car was featured in the movie Mad Max Fury Road. I hope you have watched that movie. This is the fourth car, and my camera isn't justifying the quality. Wow. Number 67. Like look at the detailing, the color configuration. Wow, and look at this big headlights. Crazy, right? And this is the last car. Oh, what in the name of, man? What is this basically? Like look at the tail section. It has got a big wing. It looks like an old vintage car which has been modified to an extended level. It has got that plastic and premium finish look of metal and plastic, with a great color combination, and it has also got a race booster nose. Wow. So now let me give you a detailed configuration of the cars that we have unboxed right now. So let me just put the box aside. Wow, like this is the fleet. Crazy, right? So among them, which one is your favorite car? Which one did you like the most? By color wise, by look wise, by model wise, or by brand? So I'm just trying to park it side by side. Oopsie doopsie. Okay. My phone's clarity is next level, man. Wow. This is how the car looks from the front. I would say by look wise I would pick this car, but by color wise I would always get this one. So now let me show you every car in a detailed spec. Like this is the first car. Okay, it has got big massive tires. It says that it is made in Indonesia, and my camera isn't justifying. Yes, it says it's made in Indonesia, and the name of the car is Volkswagen Cafe Racer DTW 93 original HotWheels. And trust me, the weight of this car is like wow, it's quite heavy. I mean, every Hot Wheel car has an weight, of course. Wow, this is the second car. Crazy, big, massive wing, silver plating. Crazy. The name of this car is Scorcher. Scorcher. Okay. Okay. Nice. It has also got a wing. This is the third car. It has got race logo. I mean the racing numbers everywhere. Wow. The name of this car is ES Segundo Coupe, made in Indonesia again, 2022 model manufacturing. Wow. I mean, I would say this weighs a lot higher as compared to other models. Okay. I would call this car Mad Max Fury for sure in my future video. It has got 32 number plate from Ford. Wow. Look at the detailing. 1997 32 Ford. Okay, so the name of this car is 32 Ford. Okay, and the last car, my favorite in terms of color, is this car. Okay, this is an good looking car in person, genuinely. 67 number plate. It looks crazy from the front, which has got massive headlights. Okay, so what's the name of the car? It's again Ford GT 40 from 1967, and I didn't even recognize that it's a Ford GT. Okay, this is quite an retro and an OG car. Wow, man, adding an Ford GT to the collection is like quite an exceptional work. Wow, I love how every car has their own unique colors, design, everything. I like it, how it looks.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world.